Kulay ang Pasko.
Wow! Galing!
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Latest sa ating celebrity update. Anak ni Jong Hilario na si Sarina, nag-enjoy sa kanyang first Christmas ballet show, na dinaluhan nilang mag-ama. Sa nasabing event ay di maiwasan na marami ang lumalapit at nagpapa-picture sa anak ni Jong. Tunay nga naman na isa si Sarina sa celebrity kid, na hinahangaan at kinagigiliwan ng mga netizen mapa social media man o pag nasa public place ito. Samantala, isang nakakaaliw naman na pagkanta ni na Jong at Sarina ng Christmas song, ang kinaaliwan ng kanilang mga tagahanga.
Ang nagsindi nitong ilaw, walang iba kundi ikaw.
Salamat sa iwanag mo. Kada gulay ang Pasko.
Wow! Galing!
Gulay.
Gulay?
There you go. And chin up.
Chin up, up, up.
There you go.
Dun, 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 dun. Ano ba yun? Oh wow! Is this? Hi. Are you Isabella? Oh, are you family madrigal? Wow, so pretty. Show your pretty smile like a princess. You see?
Got it. Got it. Yeah. Bye. Hi everyone.
Where are we going?
To the ballet.
You excited? You're late. Filipino time.
The show started already.
Here's the theater.
Daddy.
Yes, so I'm walking fast. How about that? Close now. Had fun? You had fun? Yeah.
Watching my video. Bye, guys.
Had so much fun.
Bye. Bye.